We just need one viewer. Any viewers? No viewers. Someone jump on. Holy moly. Looks like we got 2 people. Hey! It's actually working. Is it working? Everything seems like it's working okay. It's our first live stream. Maybe we'll try to start doing this once or twice a week if it works out. We got 4 viewers now. The chat working? Can y'all see me? Well, we'll keep it like a short stream just for our first stream just to see how it goes. But I wanted to hop on because I noticed something as I was looking back over from our video today. Go ahead and remove. I don't know if I should remove that or not. But I noticed that our current move, I was comparing Ethereum to Chainlink, but I think we may be further along than what I anticipated. We could be entering this move, final move here, up. For Chainlink, I think we've already completed that first wide bull, and I think could be consolidating here over the next week or so, and I think we may actually see a breakout sooner than later. This is kind of the price action I see forthcoming. I think over the next 5 or 6 days or so, we get above it, maybe in the next week, and then one final test back down. This will be our 21-day moving average. I think maybe this is going to really start shooting up, as you can see the projection going up here. Once the price gets up, I think we do one final test, and then we could be set for liftoff. So that's where I'm seeing. I don't think we're going to have this much consolidation. I feel like Chainlink is a little bit more volatile than Ethereum was back in this time, especially given the current market conditions. I think we're primed for an explosion here. So doesn't mean we can't move down in the short term, chop around this or follow this up, but good one possibility that I'm looking at. So let's check in on Cardano. It's looking like a power move right now as well. All these lines the moving averages are sorting out. That's looking strong. Everything's looking strong right now. So hopefully that Bitcoin dip was just that, just a dip, and we get rolling here soon. We got we're up to 4 viewers. Can y'all see me? I don't know if you can see me. It doesn't look like you can see me on my screen. I don't even see myself. Yeah, I think I think the whole presidency thing and the stimulus is really going to start moving the markets here. And I don't know if you guys saw, like eToro said over this weekend, they might limit buys because they don't know if they have enough stock of certain coins. They're going to limit certain buy orders. Did you guys hear about that? I thought that's the first I've ever heard anything like that. So, all right, see my sip of water, and I guess everything's just lagging. Looks like I'm about 15 seconds behind on my screen. If you got any questions, I'm happy to answer. This is pretty cool. You can answer everyone's questions as they have them. We can jump at different charts. I don't have to just record. So maybe we'll do this maybe like every Friday, or maybe we'll try every day and see which day has the most views. Up to 5 now. 5 viewers. Hey, from Germany. What kind of car is that? I can barely see. I see a black car. Anything else you guys want to look at? I've got... I mean, I can look at any coin. Whole markets as a whole is moving. Let me see what else I was looking at. You guys look at Google Trends. I think I showed this in a couple of my videos, but today, over the past few days, Ethereum has been going ridiculous. If it ever loads, I don't know. Maybe the stream looks like it's slowing me up here. So if you go to Google Trends, you can often find, you can kind of sneak peek when tops are forming. You see Bitcoin's really trended up over the past since the moves began. That's no surprise, but what I've never seen is Ethereum this high. Now compared to Bitcoin, it's not much, but this is all-time high for Ethereum. I mean, it's been like a flat line, just like if we had Chainlink, we're still early on Chainlink. Hopefully in a few years, you guys are all still with me and we can be in a couple $100 Chainlink. That'd be cool. Maybe I'll throw a Chainlink party on my yacht. You guys are all invited. You can be first timers. You get special gold cards and stuff. See, Chainlink, we're still we're nothing. Once Chainlink, if Chainlink ever goes to 2 or something like that, we'll be blasting. But Ethereum, all-time high, super interest. Once it breaks those key like mine levels, like Ethereum break 1,000, that's when people start waking up to the FOMO. Chainlink, we're still so early, but I feel like Chainlink is going to start getting a couple searches when we start breaking all-time highs, because I think that will really start pushing us up. I'll pitch in for the Asian Punk. All right, bud. Any other questions? Kylo, what's your avatar card there? I see a car with the hood up, but I can't tell. It's a little bit small. You guys know I'm into cars, so. We had one abandoned ship. We're down to 4 viewers now. Hey, GLEs. I used to have a Mercedes. I had a E350 a couple years ago. I had a white. It was white carbon kit, like an AMG appearance package. So I'm all into Mercedes. I used to love Mercedes. Still love them. It's pretty cool. I like being able to talk a little bit more, being a little bit more open with you guys, and not so like when we record videos, like there's so much you can say. This I feel like is kind of open air, whatever you guys want. 5 viewers. I imagine once we get a few hundred more subscribers, maybe more people would like this. I didn't even know I could live stream. I know you used to have like 1,000 subscribers to live stream, but I guess they took that rule away. So I just saw it on my channel, so I figured I'd try it. I don't really got anything else. I just wanted to show this move. So if you guys don't have any questions, I guess we can end it. Yeah, I got nothing else. Looks like Link's kind of calming down for the moment. Look at it on the shorter time frame. But even this, like at any time frame, you know, you see from my videos, I love when these moving averages get sorted out. And it looks like even in the 2-hour charts, it's starting to spread out. So that could be some positive news. They don't just like, you know, go up in 2 hours and then undo in 2 hours. So usually we'll have a nice big move unfolding. That'd be nice if we have another one of these moves up. And let's see what. So from when they started unfolding last time to our peak, it was, you know, about a week, 6 days, 14 hours, and 55% up. I would do another one of those. We do that from here again. Oh, that's well into all-time highs, so let's hope this could be the move. Maybe we'll do a live stream when to bring in the $20 Chainlink. That would be pretty cool. Look for that. I think I'll do that. Bitcoin, Asian punk sales. What do I think Bitcoin will do? Let's pull it up. Let's get rid of Cardano for a minute. Rid of that. Okay, so yeah, so in the meantime, in the short term, like we don't know if this is like, I've heard so many things that this is a dead cat bounce, which as of now it's like kind of a textbook so far. So we could see another leg down. We obviously hope that that's not what's going to happen. The best case for alts is, you know, this move just kind of fizzles out and just goes sideways for the next few weeks. That would be perfect. Alts would continue to rise. Link could get some momentum going. Ethereum could be all-time high. I think all this is going to like coincide together. So, yeah, we just got to hope Bitcoin chills out and doesn't do another one of these, moves. Yeah, once Bitcoin and Ethereum broke their all-time highs, they're both over 1,000% moves. Which, you know, back then I think you know, we're kind of looking at diminishing returns and lengthening cycles a little bit. I don't know if the 4-year theory is correct. I guess we'll find out in the next year or so. But Yeah, if Link went to 1,000%, I mean, it's speculation, but sometimes that's fun to do. Let's get back on the. Guess we don't need that anymore. Let's look. 1,000%. I'm gonna have to zoom way out here. It's probably right in there somewhere. So just 1,000% from, let's say, $20, 1950. Let's try that. I mean, you can see we're getting well out of hand here. 1,000%. We're over $200 right there. 205. So we're 1,000% is, yeah, 200, 220. That would be ridiculous, but I don't see that move happening anymore. I just think I don't know if any of those moves are going to be happening. It was so early in crypto. We're still early in crypto, and I don't doubt that Chainlink can get to 200. It's not that, but I just don't see like a 1,000% jump over the next, few months or whatever, like Ethereum and Bitcoin both did. I mean, those were insane moves. Look at that. Ethereum, kind of when it started. I mean, it's 3,200% in not even half a year. Jeez. Would have been nice to be around back then. Have a load of Ethereum. I'd have all the cars I show you on live stream. I'd have all those in real life. If I had as much Ethereum and Link now as I have now back then, good God. Let's look at the chat. Yeah, 1,000% is a little much between now and the next few months, but I think we are in for some serious upside soon. So we will hope. Look at that move on Ethereum. U-shape. Then if you notice that similarity, look at this. Notice that similarity? Remember the Ethereum chart I showed this morning? Like what if these moves right now, this giant move, what if it's not really a giant move in the grand scheme of things? What if it's just this first move? What if that big horseshoe U is just this? Then this is coming, and maybe the next wave. Maybe this is 2020 right here, 2021, 2022. You never know. Maybe this is another 5 years, 10 years or something, another move like this. So Ethereum gets to 10, 20, 30,000, who knows? Fun to look at stuff like that though. See this big move up, then that, the horseshoe. Maybe that's this zoomed out. Move up, horseshoe. Maybe we do another consolidation up in this area, and then you never know. That would be crazy. If a move like this was going to get tacked on to the end of here. Nintendo showed up to the party. He comments on all my videos. It's all our first live stream, Nintendo. Trying it out. I think Asian Punk was my very first subscriber. I'm not sure, but I know you guys are all early, so I appreciate it. Hopefully, y'all can learn something. Just doing this to help y'all. Looks like Link has got a little bit of a pullback. Bitcoin too, no surprise. Bitcoin's dropped $1,000 in the past not that long. Look at that. Past 2 hours down $1,000. So we hope this doesn't continue. That will drag the rest of the market down because it's already starting. But this is a great candle. These are, love the wicks on the bottom of these for Link. This is on the weekly charts too. So I know I talked about this morning on our video. But if this can hold above this and close bullish and get that Dragonfly Doji going, that'd be amazing. We got 7 viewers now. We're up to 7. You guys got any questions? We're going to keep a record of our live streams, how many viewers. So our record's 7 for our first one. Maybe someday we get up to 700 or... You guys were on the first one. The Chainlink hype is real. It's true, man. You should... I'm trying to avoid Twitter, but some of those guys get crazy. All the Link Marines and the dang green frogs are coming out. Anything else you guys want to see? Any questions? My hair's getting out of hand. I've been wearing a hat past few days. It's hard to do well. Maybe I'll cut it. What do you think? I usually like to wear like a, a nice shirt or a jacket, but I recognize all the people in the chat are the people that always make comments on my videos, so I appreciate you guys. VeChain, we got a question about VeChain. Let's see. Go over there. I could look against other. All right, well, we got VeChain up. Let's see what we're looking like. This is against Tether. Let's get on the daily chart, see where we're at. This looks very similar to Cardano's move, so it's still looking strong. So far, so good. Go to the weekly. A lot of volatility in this thing. Huge wicks up and down. But VeChain's, I like holding a couple coins. Like maybe I'm a fan of. I might mute this. Holding a couple coins that are going into the next bull market that weren't around the last bull market. So there's no like psychological tops. So people don't, basically everything is, new space. So it looks like VeChain's close to breaking out of here. So, yeah, this could make a run. But you don't want any like psychological levels on some of these coins. Obviously, you don't want to invest a whole lot in speculative coins like this with smaller market caps because anything can happen. They can do big swings one way or another. But usually like 10%. If you want to do like 10% of your portfolio just for speculation and investing in some of these coins, I think VeChain's a good project. It's on my radar for sure. I have like 5 top coins, which are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Chainlink, Cardano, and Polkadot. But I also have, some others on my radar. Tezos, VeChain is one of them. XMR. What's wrong with Quantum? Is Quantum gone? SNX. Is it you that asked about that the other day? I looked into that. So like the market cap was like I think it's $13 million, which is, it could explode and do a few 100% instantly, but it can also go down pretty easily as well. So any kind of market, small cap like that, it can have insane volatility. So just like I said, 10% of your portfolio for like speculative stuff like that. 90% in the bigger caps. That's just my opinion, but you also can get uber rich if you have a little bit more risk tolerance and want to get in some of those smaller caps. Oh, SRX. Do you want me to pull that up? I think the only thing is that right? SRX? SNX? What was SRX? Yeah. Let me look here. Oh my gosh, what a move. What is that move? I love seeing moves like this. Look at that, 260% in the past month. Whew. That is nice. Super strong. It's a strong move right now. It's 50% above 21 days. Let's see what the weekly is. It's even more. 140% it got up to. Now it's still 100% above, so it's kind of like on Bitcoin's track, right? Bitcoin's, I think, still over 100% above the 21 week, so 2080. You 2080 what? Small cap to big cap? Or are you the opposite? Are you 2080 big cap to small cap? So yeah, hopefully you already have this coin. I don't know if now would be the best time to get into it. Usually you want to kind of get in on the secret train back here and not the train that's riding to the moon. Because there's a lot. Look at that volatility. What's that candle? Weekly candle move difference is 40% in a week is a nice make or break. But you can see these lines are way up. This is your strength. This is your momentum. Still up. Money flow is good. So it's still good for now. Just altcoins are really just get super affected by what Bitcoin does. For now, maybe that'll change in the future in the next couple of years. Maybe altcoins will kind of decouple a little bit, especially the bigger caps. That's what I'm hoping for. Yeah, Link Bitcoin bottom, I think is in too. I mean, it's just been getting destroyed over the past few weeks, but I think we're bottoming out. I think one of my videos I said something about that, right? I think we even got the buy signal for that. Look at that. That is crazy. This is a weekly chart. I mean, talk about. And this, if you look at the market cycle thing, or like the media phase, the first sell-off, the media blow off top, return to new normal. You guys know what I'm talking about? I can find it. Maybe I'll find it in the next video. And I think we're like in despair now. So I think Link is, could do move like something like this. Then kind of return just that U shape that we see in all the patterns that I've been talking about. This would be perfect for Link. Yeah, these are the polar opposites of what you want. You want your smallest ones on top. You want to be like these. 21, 50, 100, 200. And we're completely upside down, but it looks like I think there's light at the end of the tunnel here. If you look at our market structure, we're still good. Let's take a look here. So from our tops, you don't want to usually break back below this. Looks like we got some wicks. I mean, this is looking nice for a bottom. Not to mention, our bottom past couple weeks we got all these lines down below these dotted lines. Is just usually my time to buy any coin, and then we just printed the hash ribbon buy signal, which usually can take a few days to a few weeks to kick in before the next big move starts. But I think Link's time is coming. As you all know, I am a very big fan of Link, so see what we got in the chat now. We got 12 viewers, all-time high. Yeah, Link loves its pullbacks, doesn't it? It's like he's like the strong athlete at the field that's scared of everybody if they move. But if there's nobody around, he can set like world records. That guy alone in the baseball field that's hitting home runs. But then someone shows up to watch and he's striking out. I feel like that's Link. The guy in the the Lamborghini that forgets his car keys when he's racing the Hondas. Link likes to show up whenever he wants, and when someone else showing power like Bitcoin, he just goes and hides. So yeah, Link's back down to 1664. What did we get to? We got to 1854 for our local top. Today we got to 1750. So what we want to see, this is the daily. So if we come back down, I'd love to hold this 21 day, which should be higher. Looks like we're trending higher. So if we run into that, maybe around 15, 16 area, look for a nice bounce off. I think we're close on Link. Tito Ortiz. Oh man, how'd you get that name? Doesn't Tito's not on YouTube? Or is this the real Tito Ortiz? You gonna knock me out? I have to keep drinking water. Like when I talk, like my mouth gets all dry. I don't know what that is. Maybe that's something. Although I usually don't talk a whole lot in real life. Even though I have a wife and kids and family. Just talk to them pretty much. You guys like my background? I just put this up because like all other YouTubers I've seen and I watched, like I just found myself staring at their background, like of the books in the back or their walls or whatever's going on. So I just figured I'd throw that up. Not that I'm in my mom's basement or anything, as most people probably think. It's got that up for hiding all the stuff. There's nothing back there. It's just stuff. Just up in my loft office. $13 viewers. All right, what do we got? Let's read the chat. I should change my background every day and make it a meme. That'd be pretty funny. That'd be awesome. But it's just like I just ordered it on Amazon. It's like a canvas, like a canvas piece of art. I just have it hanging from the ceiling. It's like it's like a curtain. I don't know, I was thinking like if we get more people watching, maybe I would do like holiday themed or whatever. Maybe I'll do if I could find a curtain that has a meme on it, that'd be pretty funny. Classes in session. Thanks, bud. Let's see, I had a question up here somewhere. Tito, from Tito. What's my prediction on Chainlink the end of 2021? I love talking about that, but I usually don't do it in my videos just because, like, predictions are a dime a dozen. Everyone tries to make predictions. Like I saw somebody big on YouTube have a prediction of 27,000 Ethereum by soon or whatever they said. Like, if Ethereum's going to 27,000, it's not going to be any time this year. It's not happening. 27,000. It was $100 in March, guys. Like, I can't stand that stuff. When people just do the hopium stuff, it's not going to be me. But Lincoln by the end of 2021. So right in this area, I could totally see. Let's zoom in here. Without the hopium bond, I think. Zoom out here. So I don't think that this cycle is going to be done this year for the 4-year cycle. I think maybe Bitcoin and all other coins peak out somewhere 2022, 2023 area. Then we have, a bear market right in this area. Then level off and kind of repeat the cycle. So if that happens, I could see Chainlink. I could do a video on this for like mathematical stuff. I can calculate off based on previous moves and stuff like that and kind of get a better estimate. But the next year, if you can zoom out, I mean, you're unlikely to see, realistically, you're unlikely to see anything much over $40, $50. I think maybe we could see something, a move up like this, and then some consolidation. Now, and at the top of the cycle, I could see us moving up well above $100 in the next few years for sure. But you can see these moves there. It's gonna have to be huge to get from where we are now to $100 is a 450% move, which is not unheard of. That's what Chainlink did. The most recent move it went from $2 to $20 in a couple months. So, given the next year, we'd have to move up. We'd have to do another one of those moves. That's all it would take. So, it could happen. Look at that chart. It's just tough for me to picture it happening. In the next year, I think maybe. That looks a little bit more realistic, right? If we have another big pump out, 200% in 2021, it's doable. So if you want to nail me down for a price, I would say we're going to shoot for $50 by this time next year, into 2021. $50. I think that's pretty conservative. I think we'll get a nice big move after Chainlink breaks out, maybe in the next few weeks. Maybe we can consolidate, click back on our all-time high one last time in March, early March, right in here. Then zoom up. Yep, I like it. We'll do a more in-depth video on that if you guys want. I'm glad you all like Chainlink as much as I do. Yeah, BitBoy, that was it. BitBoy, that guy's, whatever. He's got tons of people, hundreds of thousands of subscribers somehow, but calling for 27,000 is ridiculous. It's like so misleading. Yeah, the 20K for ETH, I have little doubt that Ethereum can get to 20K. I just don't think it's going to be this year. Maybe at the top of at this cycle, I could maybe see 10,000. The next year or so, 12. 20,000. I think is going to be next cycle. It's my opinion. We'll see if it plays out. But Ethereum's not even cleared its all-time high yet. It was like I said, it was $100 8-9 months ago. Now everyone wants to go, yeah, it's all clickbait. I just don't do the clickbait stuff. I know maybe he's doing it to make money or sell something. I haven't really looked at him. I don't really look at people that are doing that stuff. But yeah, I'm just here to help you guys. So I have no interest in selling anything. So I just give you my opinion and my experience in the past 5 years that I've been in. So this is better than I thought we would do. I didn't think we'd have Hope we'd have one viewer. That's cool. Y'all get like a notification or something? How do you all even know? You guys just watch YouTube that much? I don't know how it works. Yeah, I think Chainlink is for sure. I would almost bet anything anybody wants that Chainlink will be a top 5 market cap at the end of this cycle, whenever that may be, 2021, 2022, whatever. It's not, what is it? I think it moved to 9 today. You can look at that. If you're late to the party, we were looking at the beginning, we were looking at Google Trends and how Ethereum just made a new all-time high for people searching on Google for Ethereum, and how Chainlink is it's flatlined. I think when Chainlink made its $20 peak, it got to 2 with Ethereum. So if Chainlink gets back off of 1, the floor, I think we'll be at our all-time high. Once this starts moving up like Ethereum, we'll be good to go. What were we looking at? Crypto market, coin market cap. Is Biden talking tonight? 7:30. I guess I'll listen. I usually don't try to follow the news or politics or stuff, but when it affects the old wallet, might wanna tune in. So yeah, Bitcoin. Did you guys notice earlier? I don't know if you saw the wrapped Bitcoin was at the #1 spot. It was some kind of glitch, but it was awkward to see Bitcoin not there. I think yeah, there it is. This was #1 earlier today. I don't know what happened. Okay, so Bitcoin, Tether, XRP I see moving down. Polkadot, I think it's gonna be a founding top 5 for sure at the end of the cycle. It's already at 11 billion. I mean, I think it was only a few billion a few months ago. Cardano, Chainlink's up to #9. Yeah, I got Link easy top 3. Top 3 to 5. The end of the cycle for sure. That's only a 4x. As you know, all these are going to start moving up, but a 4x for Chainlink is 24 billion. That'll get it right up in there. I mean, these guys, Polkadot will move up. Let's also do another 2x from here. That'll do it. But yeah, I can see the top 5 at the end of this cycle: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Chainlink, Polkadot, and probably Cardano is going to move its way up there. Stellar Lumens, Privacy Coin, that'll probably stay in the top 10. Then we'll probably have some unknown from the back left field, one of these guys, make a run. There's VeChain. Someone asked about that earlier. Maker, maybe. Uniswap, I could see that working. Let's see the chat. What do we got? Okay, it tells you that I go live if you subscribe. That's cool. Guess I don't subscribe to anybody that does live streams, really. Yeah, stimulus news is gonna move the markets for sure. I'm sure it's people speculating right now. What else we like? The DXY. What's going on here? This was my video yesterday that was shunned. Even though it's super important, you can see my drawings are still on here. So the DXY shows the strength of the dollar. Now the short term, let me clear this off. Remove drawings. So the short term, we want to keep below this for the dollar if we want crypto to go up. I think, you know, it could hurt us in the short term if this goes up and retests like this did. See this move back up and it retests that line. It's the 21 week. So I fully expect to get rejected back off of that and make lower lows. That would be ideal. Like I said in my video, we need to break 88, and then I think we're in crypto euphoria. Yeah, I agree. The 10 bro, like throw like golden secrets out that no one's saying, and like that DXY. This people have no idea how much this affects crypto. Like this whole move is the only reason Bitcoin took off. This move, we were going down. This move, crypto exploded. This is when Ethereum went from dollars to 1,400 a year. And this is when Bitcoin went from 3,000 to 40,000. Right, just these moves. And if we break 88, we are going to retest way down here. This will be our next market structure to test. There's nothing here. This goes way down. Now it'll chop up and down, but if that falls to 80, Bitcoin will be well over 100,000. It's going to happen. Now we got warning signs down here, but like this, we don't want to see this start curving back up. This is the weekly. A lot of momentum. We want to see this get rejected back down. If it starts coming back through here, crypto will be going down for the short term for sure. So we'll keep an eye on that. Like I said, I'll update everybody. But this greatly affects the crypto markets. Hopefully Link can close solid, close a green candle up here in the next 3 days. We'll keep an eye on this. If that closes green with this huge wick, great news. 11 viewers. Tim, bro, I like you, man. I think we got to meet someday. You're invited. I don't know if you were here for the party we were talking about when Chainlink gets to, you know, a couple $100 or whatever, $1,000 at the end of the cycle. I have a party on a yacht or something. We go to an island, and Asian Punk said he was going to chip in, and should be fun. Give my first subscribers, maybe my first 100 subscribers, golden tickets for VIP access or something. We'll do something big. Yeah, DXY. Yeah, I think everything is going to be sketchy and volatile over the next few days. We'll see. DXY has been moving down though, slowly. We want that to keep dropping and turn red. If that comes down here, man, I'm gonna get excited. If you see a rally, Bitcoin starts rallying, everything starts rallying, check that DXY. Live stream's working out pretty good. I like it. I can just open talk, answer questions. Well, I don't really got much else. I'll make a video tomorrow. I don't know what we wanted on tomorrow. I don't think I had any requests for coins, so maybe we'll just talk about kind of what we're talking about now, or see what happens tonight as Biden talks. Could get crazy. Yeah, if he gives good news or says he's going to do another stimulus, maybe in the short term this goes back up and kind of puts brakes on crypto. Hopefully not. Hopefully it's just short term. Usually, like stimulus go right back into the crypto, like it into the markets. So, you guys got anything else? Should we end it? Thursday. I think our first stream was pretty good success. Yeah. Maybe we'll look at that tomorrow on do some political stuff, see what happens overnight, and see if I can find anything for the morning. Yeah, I'll make a video. We'll try to find some news. Maybe I can add a couple news things about Chainlink every day too. I always read articles, so I think someone suggested that a couple days ago. Put something, some new stuff in the beginning. We'll see. All right, guys. I guess click off, and I'll have a video out tomorrow, regular time. So. No, I should make a Telegram. I started making one. There's some issues. I had some issues with some stuff. Asian Punk asked if I had a Telegram thing. I'll make one. Maybe I'll do that. I'll do that over the weekend or tomorrow morning. I'll check into it, see if I can make something. Discord channel, yeah, I know that's popular too. Yeah, maybe I'll look into that. You guys are asking for it, so. All right, well. We'll do more live streams. We'll see if you guys like that more. I've figured this out how to do that. So, benefit on Cardano. Yeah, I need to do that. I talked a little bit about it today, but yeah, I can do that. Maybe do another live stream. See you guys on the moon. Okay. Yeah, we're going. Just a matter of when our rockets can ignite. So, yeah. I guess I'll leave it with 13 viewers. Someone else just joined, and they're about to get kicked off. I don't know if you can you guys restream this? I think you can. I think you can restream live streams. You guys can rewatch it, so we'll see. We've been on for, I don't know how long we've been going. I don't even know how to even look at it. And ready to go watch time. We've been about 52 minutes. Oh my gosh. Been on way longer than I thought. I thought I was going to get on for a few minutes and no viewers and click off. So thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate it. We'll do more of these. I guess I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks so much.